I got a big
Chocolate cookie. I don't remember burning.
He put it in. He put the banana.
Hey, Howie.
Put them out for Santa.
Alright.
I'm not even one. Look, here it is. There's a chocolate milk.
That's pretty good.
There's a chocolate milk.
Yup, go give it to Mommy so she can make chocolate milk.
Here, Mommy. We chocolate milk.
Alright.
Can I have this?
Yep.
Close the door.
The chocolate in first.
I think you put the milk in first. Why don't we need milk? You gotta get the milk.
And the chocolate again. Mommy, can you open this so I can put it in there? Let me try. Let me do that.
Chocolate's got a
Let
thing
me
on
have.
top.
Let me see.
Oh, there we go.
Let's read that. Let's read that. Hey, it's my job. Mine. Mine.
Alright, let's have
it's
Austin
not
put the
right now.
chocolate in and DJ put the milk in.
How about I put the chocolate?
Take the seal off at first.
Oh.
There's a seal inside of it. That's
Oh,
what it's supposed to be.
Nope, whatever's in there still. I hope it's still good.
Be careful with the milk, DJ.
Now it's my turn. I can
Alright.
do this myself. I need to. The baby chocolate.
Put a little in there. More.
Now we have to the up. Do I have to the up?
That's
Have
pretty
to
good.
the up. Yeah. Since I do it.
Alright, hand me. Alright, we need
I
a
mean, would not want that,
spoon.
did I?
Let me get the
I'll
spoon.
check in a minute.
These different together. What about this spoon?
That's good. Stir it up.
Okay. Milk. Milk. Chocolate milk. Has to be
Did
stirred.
you try to eat Santa Claus's cookie? That's supposed to be for Santa Claus.
Well, he should eat it.
Didn't DJ do that one year? Stir it all the way from the bottom, DJ.
Okay.
Because all the chocolate's around the side. See it over here, look. See it?
Yeah.
That's why you gotta stir it all around there. That's it. Hold
Put
it
some
with one
cookies
hand
on there
and
for
stir it with the
Santa.
other.
No. Give Santa Claus a cookie. Not the one you ate, though. Here.
Put a
that-
cookie
these
on
two
the
ones-
plate for
Put
Santa
down
Claus.
for Santa Claus. Put those two on the plate for Santa.
Is it chocolate milk yet?
Well, you can't give him your
That's good.
half-eaten cookie.
That's good. I'm gonna run out of videos soon anyway.
Mommy,
Alright, let's go sit in the other room for Santa.
is this,
Here, let's put this in that room.
Why is it
Wait,
running
wait,
out?
wait.
It only takes a couple
is
minutes.
that good?
Well, I mean, it's got half a battery on it right now. I don't know how long it lasts, so I don't want it to run
You
out.
don't have any batteries for that?
You have to charge it every time. You have to take the battery out and charge it. It's not like a regular battery, it's a square battery.
Let's give Santa Claus
Has to be
his
recharged
milk
every
cookie.
time.
Let's put them in the other room.
Plus, it's kind of long video just for milking cookies. It's like 4 minutes long already.
Careful,
How long does it lay? How long can you video?
I mean, I could do a half hour, but to put it on the computer, it needs to be shorter.
We'll put
In
it
5
in
minutes.
here.
Okay.
Otherwise, it takes forever to upload.
Yeah.
Yes, good. There's Santa's milk and cookies.
Should it be milk and cookies?
Chocolate milk and cookies.